Oh, it's coming loose. Maybe that's going to shake it off. On his nose, that loosened things up.
Yeah, I stopped and moved. Okay, you gotta go around to the front. Look out, guys. Maybe a fish on there.
The line's going over here.
Yeah, he's going around the bow.
What do you want me to do with the dolphin, Jose? Anything?
No, we're gonna try.
That's it. That's helping him though, isn't it?
Looks like he's getting some of it off.
This is stuck on the bottom.
Okay, Jose. Watch out, Kim. Watch out, Kim.
Oh, look at his tail. It's
Do you
all
want a knife? Do you want me
bleeding.
to cut some of this off? Jose?
Yeah, there's a knife right on the dash here.
Pass me a knife.
Here.
Right there by my foot.
Here.
Pass me the gaff. Okay. No.
Don't pull too tight. You'll hurt him.
Right in the front.
Watch his eye.
Oh, it's in his mouth and everything. Yeah.
Get him, get him, get him.
Watch your hand. Yeah, watch the left. You want to do this?
Fucking could lose fingers.
What's that?
Let's cut this freaking fin off.
Yeah, well, you can get it out. You can help him up. Do you want to move him down, Jose, a little bit? This way?
Yeah, bring him to the stern.
It's like we need gloves.
Watch your hands in there. Watch yourself with the string. Do you want to come down that way?
Oh my God, this is stressful.
Did you cut this part off? No. Do you want it cut off?
No, don't.
Not the anchor part?
I don't know what the hell's on the ends of this. Everybody was coming over thinking we were getting fish.